how to update your security questions on Twist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your security questions on Twist online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for TwistBank. And now here, on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the TwistBank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you just have to click on profile and settings from your dashboard. And after that, you need to select security settings, account security. And there, just find the security question sections and select the question that you want to update. And once you have selected that, you just need to provide new questions and answers. And once you're done with it, you can just save the changes. And that's it. With that, you may be asked to verify identity with one-time code. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.